Hey, how's it going, guys? Taylor from Into Crypto here, and in this video we will be looking at the performance of my crypto portfolio over the last week, and at the end I will briefly be talking about the price of DRIP, where I think it's going, and why. Guys, as always, this video is not intended to be financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any of these opportunities. If you would like to support the channel and get some free crypto, check out the links below, and please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get into crypto. So looking here at the Drip Garden dashboard, you'll see there's not too much information. It does show that I have 672 plants, how many seeds per day I produce. I've got, looks like 2 plants ready to compound, and my available earnings, but it doesn't show much. So let's jump over to the spreadsheet. So looking at a quick view of my drip garden, we'll see that it's kind of a rough week that we had. The drip BUSD price dropped because the price of drip is dropping, so that dropped the price of my overall assets. But you'll notice that my plants are still increasing, so I'm compounding more than I'm harvesting. I only harvest once a week, but the more I compound, the more plants I grow. The more plants I grow, the more drip BUSD I produce. The reason I'm producing less now is because the price of drip went down. So not worried about this. Again, we'll talk about at the end why I think the price of drip will be going back up. And over here you can see I started a harvest record. So this is basically 36 hours of earnings that I harvest once a week. I compound my garden Sunday to Friday, and then Friday morning I compound early in the morning, and then I don't harvest until Saturday night at 8 p.m. So my strategy when I harvest in the garden is to take this money and invest it in other platforms, which is a great segue into the next investment, which is the drip faucet. So I took that $109 and I put it into the faucet, and that bought me about 1.5 drip. So you can see my drip has gone up from 6.8 to 6 or 8.4, excuse me. But you can also see that the price of drip has taken quite a hit here. Over $20, it's gone down. Again, we'll talk about that at the end. So you'll see that I'm still not collecting any referral rewards from my team because I have to have a specific token in my wallet to do that. But my claimed drip over the last week has gone from 1.48 to 1.9, so I'm almost at 2 full drip that I've claimed since I started. And that's kind of funny. It's the same price because, you know, obviously the price went down, so that affects the price of my earnings. And then you can see my max payout has gone from 24 drip to 30.67 drip. Let's take a quick look at the dashboard just to confirm the numbers. As you can see, 8.4 deposited, 1.9 claimed. Added a couple people to my team, and the max payout is 30.6. So the next platform I'm invested in is Elephant Money, and there's a couple of ways to make money with Elephant Money. You can bond your trunk. Trunk is the native coin of Elephant Money, and earn 200% APR, or you can buy elephant tokens and hold them, and they're a reflection token, so you actually will have more elephant airdropped to your wallet as time goes on. So it's based on the volume. A certain percentage of the volume gets sent out to all of the elephant token holders. So that's called a reflection token. It just, you hold it in your wallet and it just slowly builds. So bought it a couple of days ago. I don't know how many I bought when I bought it, but it was about 27 bucks, and it's appreciated a little bit in that time, 3 bucks, 4 bucks. So nothing huge. Like I said, I'm just getting my feet wet with this platform. The other way I was talking about was the Stampede, and you bond your trunk. So you go to the platform and you buy your trunk here, you mint it, and then you come down here and you will bond it add it here and then bond, and you make 205% on your money. So far I've made 54 cents on a $30 investment just a couple of days ago. So nothing super crazy with this one. I'm just starting to get into it, but I am excited to really grow out my Elephant Money account. Last but not least, we have FastBNB, which was my first crypto investment. I was a beginner, and I'll be honest, if I would have come across this platform now, I would not have invested in it. But this was my introduction to DeFi, and honestly, I didn't lose money. And even if I had lost money, the experience that I gained and what I learned about crypto, absolutely invaluable. So not a loss any way you look at it, but you will see that my daily earnings, I have zeroed them out because I do not think, if we go to the FastBNB page here and I connect, it does say I have $200 to withdraw, but can't withdraw it anymore. So the developers have left a note saying, when you come here to the website, saying we're working on it, but let's see if it pops up. Oh, there it was. Yeah, it said basically we're working on it and we'll keep you updated. So I'm not expecting anything. Thank you for your cooperation. We'll see what happens. It would be nice to get some more money out of that, but I'm not going to hold my breath. So let's talk about the price of drip. Oh my goodness, look at this. What a hit it has taken over the last few weeks. If you zoom out a little bit more, we'll see we hit the all-time high, about $170, and it's just kind of been downhill from there. So where's the price going to go? Is it going to keep going down? Is it going to go back up? Well, I've shown this kind of chart layout on another video, but I just want to look at this stat a little bit more in depth because I don't know if people completely understand the impact of what this shows. So we've got a few people up here. I think this guy's out now. He's collected his 100K. Some of these guys are probably the ones that are selling right now. But look at this. If you look between 0 and 100 drip deposited, there's 55,000 people. So these people are all collecting between 0.1 or 0.01 and 1 drip a day, right? So eventually these people are going to get to 100 drip and they're going to move into this range and they're going to start producing more drip per day, and then they're going to move up again. And as this group of 55,000 people starts to graduate through these different levels, they are going to be sucking up more and more drip, like exponentially more, like literally. That's how compounding works. So as these people start sucking up more drip exponentially, moving through this chart, that's going to take a lot of drip out of circulation. I mean, it's just incredible what this really shows. And if you really understand what this means, then you are absolutely investing in drip right now, just like me, just like these 55,000 other people. Well, that is all I have for you today. I know the numbers didn't look great this week. Hopefully they'll be a little bit better next week, but we shall see. If there is any content that you would like me to make, anything you want me to cover specifically, please let me know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys.